Russian course, level beginner, lesson 2. In this lesson, you will meet with two personal pronouns я, I, and ты, you. You will learn how to ask a person's name, what they do for a living, and where they are from. Personal pronouns. Number 1. Я, I. Number 2. Ты, you. This pronoun, ты, you, is used when you talk to your friend, relative, child, or if a person allows you to use this pronoun when you talk to them. Listen and repeat. Then pause the video and read the pronouns. Number 1. Я. Number 2. Ты. What is your name? Number 1. Как тебя зовут? This question can be literally translated as how are you called? The common translation of this question is what is your name? Как is translated as how. Тебя is the form of the pronoun ты, you. Зовут is a verb in a particular form, can be translated as to be called. Listen and repeat. Then pause the video and read the question. Number 1. Как тебя зовут? Answer. Number 1. Как тебя зовут? What is your name? There are two ways how to answer to this question. The first one, я Вера. I am Vera. And the second one, меня зовут Вера. My name is Vera. Listen and answer to the question using your name. Как тебя зовут? What do you do for a living? Number 1. Кем ты работаешь? What do you do for a living? Кем is the form of a question word кто, who. Работаешь, work. It's a literal translation of this word. Listen and repeat. Then pause the video and read this question. Number 1. Кем ты работаешь? Answer. Number 1. Кем ты работаешь? What do you do for a living? Number 1. Я учитель. I am a teacher. Number 2. Я продавец. I am a shop assistant. Pause the video, look at the picture on the right and answer the question. The next slide will help you check yourself. Кем ты работаешь? Check yourself. Number 1. Кем ты работаешь? What do you do for a living? Answer. Я психолог. I am a psychologist. Where are you from? Number 1. Откуда ты? Where are you from? Откуда is translated as where from. Listen and repeat. Then pause the video and read the question. Number 1. Откуда ты? Answer. When you need to answer to this question, Откуда ты? Where are you from? You may give the full answer. Answer number 1. Я из России. I am from Russia. Or the short one. Answer number 2. Из России. From Russia. Pause the video, look at the picture on the right, and answer the question. The next slide will help you check yourself. Откуда ты? Check yourself. Number 1. Откуда ты? Where are you from? Answer number 1. Я из Италии. Answer number 2. Из Италии. Thank you for the lesson. Please like, share and subscribe below for updates weekly. See you next time. Bye.